Hello students, welcome to the second lab of programming in Python laboratory. The course code is UGCA 1917. It's for BCA third semester as per the syllabus of Punjab Technical University. I have already discussed about this program number 1, compute sum, subtraction, multiplication, division and exponent of the given variables input by the user. In today's lecture, I am going to discuss about the calculation of area of the following shapes: circle, rectangle, triangle, square, trapezoid and parallelogram. I am using Spider platform to implement the programs. This one is the program. It's program number 2. Compute area of the following shapes: circle, rectangle, triangle, square, trapezoid and parallelogram. Suppose I have to calculate the area of the circle. For that, one variable is required, that is r. Now r stands for radius. Input, here you can write enter radius of the circle. Now the formula for area, it's 22 upon 7, that is pi, multiply r, multiply r. Now you can print area of the circle is equal to, here you can write AR. Now execute the program. Enter the radius of the circle. Suppose I enter 12. The area of the circle is 452.57 up to so on. Suppose I have to control this value. I have to display the content up to 3 places of decimal or 2 places of decimal. Then I can use round AR, comma 2, like this. Now execute the program. Suppose again I am writing 12. Now the area of the circle is 452.57. If I have to display up to 3 places of decimal, then I can use 3. Again execute the program, 12. Then I can display the content up to 3 places of decimal. To implement 22 upon 7 or the value of pi, we can also use import math. This one is the best approach. Pi, suppose one variable is there, you can write here math dot pi. This value is already defined inside Python. Here you can write pi star r means pi r square. Now execute the program again. If I am writing 12, you can see the output 452.389. Basically, what's happening here, 22 upon 7 and pi. Suppose I am writing here, suppose I convert these values into comments. I am printing 22 divided by 7. Look at the answer. this value is there 3.14 up to so on. But if I am writing pi math dot pi, now execute the program, look at the difference. Some change in value is there 3.14 up to so on. Now look at this 3.14159 like this. Some difference is there inside the value. That's why there is change in answer 452.571 and 452.389. Now the second one. Second one is the area of rectangle. To find the area of the rectangle, we have to enter two sides. First is to understand the area, all the areas. Let us check the detail of formula. First of all, you should know about the formula. One application is there designed by me in Visual Basic. Let's execute that. Username and password. This application is there. There are different 2D diagrams. If I click circle here, if I enter the value as 12, I can print the area of the circle and perimeter of the circle, and formula is pi r square and 2 pi r. This one is the formula. We have to implement this formula inside our Python program. And what about second one? If I am talking about triangle, suppose three sides are given to you, that is A, B and C. Then if I enter 12, 14 and 7, suppose these are the three sides of the triangle. Click to display the answer, semi-circumference. What is the formula for semi-circumference? A plus B plus C divided by 2. First of all, you have to calculate this formula or calculate this value, that is semi-circumference. It's indicated by S. Then you have to calculate the area, and formula for area is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. In this way, you can calculate the value of area of the triangle, and you can calculate the area of any triangle. The third one is square. If the side of the square is A and diagonal is D or diagonal, you can write diagonal. Suppose the side is 13, then area is 169 and perimeter is 52 and diagonal is 18.38, and the formula is A square means the side square, 4 multiply side, that is 4 into side, that's perimeter, then diagonal square root of 2 multiplied by A, that is 1.414 multiplied by the side of the square. This one is the formula for calculation of different parts of square, that is area, perimeter and diagonal. Similarly, others, if I am talking in terms of rectangle, there are two sides, one is length and breadth, both the sides are different, and the diagonal. Suppose I write first value as 12 and second as 7, click to display the result. Area is 12 multiplied by 7 and perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Then diagonal is square root of square of L plus square of B, means L square plus B square square root. It's the calculation of diagonal of a rectangle. You can calculate that also. But in the present program, we have to calculate only the area of the rectangle. But in future programming, you can calculate perimeter. It may be there in examination that calculate the perimeter of the rectangle. You should know about the formulae so that you can apply those contents inside your programming. Similarly, the next one, parallelogram. In parallelogram, base and the second length, its first length and second length, two lengths are required and the height is there. Suppose I enter first length as 12 and second length as 34 and height as 17. Click to display the result. Area is 204 and perimeter is 92. You can calculate with the help of 12 and 34 the perimeter, and area is base multiply height, A multiply H. If I am using this side, then the perpendicular from this side is also required. It means the perpendicular on B, if I am talking in terms of B, if I am talking in terms of A, then perpendicular on this side A is required. And what about perimeter? Perimeter is twice the addition of both the sides, twice A plus B. And the next one is trapezium. This diagram is also known as trapezoid or trapezium. It's side A, this one is side B, and this one is height, or you can say the distance, shortest distance between side A and side B. Suppose side A is 14 and second side is 7 and height is 23. Click to display the area. Area is 241.5. Now what is the formula? Formula is half multiply sum of the parallel sides multiply distance between them. I will apply this formula in my program of Python. The next one is rhombus. Two diagonals are there. The shape is similar to the shape of kite. First diagonal 23 and second is 16. Click to find the area. This one is 184. Now what about the formula? Formula is simple. You have to multiply both the diagonals, then divided by 2. D1 multiply D2 divided by 2. Then you can calculate the area. These are some of the formulae you can apply in your programming. Let us start with the programming concept. This one. First one is import, then math. Suppose I write pi is equal to math dot pi. This declaration is there. Print. Suppose I write here enter your choice, then print the first value, circle, enter your choice. In second line you can write whose area you want to calculate. You can select print, then the second one is rectangle, and third one is triangle, and the fourth one is number 4. Fourth one is rectangle, can write here rectangle, circle, rectangle, triangle, and fourth one is square. Fourth is square, and then the next one is trapezoid, and the next is number 6, parallelogram. Then n is equal to int input enter your choice. Here you can write list of diagrams or list of shapes. You can write like this. You can cut this line and paste here. Or you can write enter your choice to calculate area like this. You can write like this. Now what's required here, we can use if condition. If n is equal to 1, then r is equal to int input. You can write here enter radius, then area. You can write a1 because it's the area of a first diagram. You can write pi star r means pi r square. Then you can print area of the circle is equal to, you can write here a1 like this. Now else print, suppose I write enter correct choice. Suppose I execute the program, you can see the output as list of the shapes because I develop only the first block. Suppose I enter 2 here, enter correct choice because second block is not there. I am executing again the program. Suppose I enter 1 here, enter radius 3, then I can print the data area of the circle as. Now I can control the decimal point also by writing here round a1 comma 2 like this. Similarly, I can design the other blocks. Second one is rectangle, and third is for triangle, and fourth one is for square, and fifth one is for trapezoid, and sixth one is for parallelogram. We already know about the area or formula for the area. Now enter your choice whose area you want to calculate. Number 1 circle, then rectangle, then triangle, square, trapezoid, and parallelogram. Now look at this one. First block is for the calculation of area of the circle, and second block is for the calculation of area of the rectangle. In second block, I enter the value S1 and S2. S1 is for length of the rectangle and S2 is breadth of the rectangle. Then simply area is equal to S1 multiply S2. Then the printing of area of rectangle is there. Area of the rectangle, then round. Round is up to 2 places of decimal. Suppose I have to display the content. Similarly, the third part. In third part, area of triangle is required. For area of triangle, 3 sides are required. Entry to 3 sides. First is A, second is B, third is C. Then the calculation of semi-circumference. Then suppose I take one temporary variable and calculate that value of inside square root value, basically s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Then calculate the square root of this value with the help of math.sqrt. Then printing the area of the triangle. Fourth requirement is the calculation of area of square. Enter the side of the square. Then area is equal to side multiply side. Then printing that particular area. The next one is area of a trapezoid. What is the formula for area of trapezoid? Half sum of the parallel sides multiply distance between them. I have already explained this formula. 0.5 or you can write 1/2. Then printing area of a trapezoid, or you can say trapezium. The last one is parallelogram. What is the area of a parallelogram? You already know, base multiply height. Then area of parallelogram, round, A6, 2, because it's stored in area 6, because it's the 6th area. Now execute the program. Enter your choice, whose area you want to calculate. Suppose I enter 5 here, trapezoid. The first parallel side 12, the second parallel side 7. Suppose the distance is 13. Then the area of the trapezoid is 123.5, like this. If I again execute the program, suppose I enter 3. 3 is for triangle. It means I can enter 3 sides. First is 12, second is 14, and third is 6. Then I'll calculate the area of that particular triangle. Area of the triangle is 35.78. It means you can calculate the different areas according to your choice. Hope you understand the content. And in the next lecture of your lab, I will explain about calculation of volume of 3D shapes: cube, cylinder, cone, and sphere. I request all of you, please go through the formulae. Then what is the formula for calculation of volume of cone, volume of cylinder, then volume of cube, and volume of sphere, so that we can easily understand the concept of calculation of 3D shapes. Thanks for watching my video.